Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, XIAOMI 12T, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up newbie share on this device. So firstly, open control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location services. If you have no location here, just click on edit button to find location here, click add, and you will see location services here on your 13. So enable location, Wi-Fi, mobile data. I have no SIM, so I can't enable mobile data. So Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, and location services. Then find newbie share, click and hold on it, wait a while, click add or verify. Then choose use newbie share, and great, newbie share is enabled now. Here you can change your device name, your device visibility mode. You can be hidden for others, you can be visible for contacts only, or you can be visible for everyone. So and of course you can change your data usage mode. You can use data mode, Wi-Fi only mode, and without internet mode, only Bluetooth mode. And great, as you can see, I have enabled my newbie share now, and now I can share images and files using newbie share. To do it, click share, not share me is XIAOMI share app, similar like newbie share, but the other. So find here newbie share, and here you will see all available newbie share devices to share files. And of course you can receive data using newbie share now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.